Hi, Mason here from Gadget Coach. Just going to run through a few basics of iOS 7, just for those with a new iPhone or who have done the update. We are running the new iPhone 5S here, but just a few ways of navigating around, closing apps, and just some of the differences. So one of the main new features is to slide up from the bottom of the screen, bring up Control Center. So here you have quick, easy toggles, toggle switches just to turn airplane mode on and off, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb mode so you don't get all the notifications, and to turn off screen rotation here on the right hand side. Brightness adjust, nice and easy, quick access, any music that's playing in the background, quick controls, you have the name of the track, how far through, so you can play, stop. AirDrop is a new feature, so using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi you can connect to other iPhones running iOS7 and iPads and iPods in the area. They would have to be within, say, the same room, and you can share photos directly to each other and pop up on the other device. So nifty feature just for easy sharing rather than having to email or message directly. The AirPlay controls are here. So that used to double tap the home button and slide to the left page a couple of times to get access to the AirPlay, so nice and simple. Torch light, really simple, turn the torch light on and off, uses LEDs, click light, get the keys when you're arriving home at night or into the car. Yeah, if you just need a light on hand, you've got the quick access to the timer and the clock functions, stopwatch, slide up again, calculator, the design's changed, and the camera control. So we've had it on the lock screen previously, and it's in the same sort of location, bottom right hand side. In the camera, notice if we just slide our screen over, we can go to slow-mo video, normal video, photo, square size, and panoramic. So it used to be different options that might have been a button up in the top corner. It's now just a simple swipe across. Press the button in the bottom right and it'll give us some automated filters, so we can actually put a filter on as we take the photo and then save into the camera roll, so we don't have to use a special app to do that. And sliding down from the top, we have our notifications. We would have our calendar, so appointments that we have set up there. We can actually turn some of these features on and off in the settings menu. So if you're not interested in stocks, you can actually hide the stocks and not have them appear there. All missed notifications. This is a blank iPhone at the moment. Now, previously we would have slid over and there'd be search and the other features similar to where the AirPlay button was. But now if I just slide down so not from the top edge of the screen, because that brings up the notifications, but if I just pull down in the middle of the screen, it'll bring up the search iPhone or search iPad. And here you can use this to search for text messages, apps, contact details. So you don't have to go all the way to the left edge of the screen. From any screen, any one of the home screens, pull down and your search options there and the keyboard popping up. Going into the settings, see the navigation's changed a bit. Not too much. Things are in the same places, so you're not going to be searching too much or getting too confused. So hopefully that works nicely. And yeah, so they're just a few of the basics, just the layout. One thing to show: double tap the home button to bring up the multitasking, the recently used apps. Here, this used to appear right at the bottom edge of the screen, just a little bit lower than these app icons. And to close apps, we used to press and hold, and they used to start dancing, and you would press an X to close them. Not the case anymore. To close apps, to reduce battery life and potentially data usage, to close these apps completely, all you do now is, firstly we get the previews of the apps, but we can just slide up one of the preview screens, and that'll shut down each app one by one. So that will help with battery life and multitasking and possibly data usage as well. So they're just a few basics. iOS 7 running on the new iPhone 5S, but it'll also work on your iPod, 5th generation, your iPad 2 and above, and your iPhone 4 and above. So yeah, gadgetcoach.com.au for If you want to be in touch, on Twitter at Gadget Coach, Facebook.com/Gadget Coach, and you're on our YouTube channel. So thank you for tuning in.